Hello everyone, surprise! I decided to hop on this kind of gloomy Saturday, at least here where I am. And I just wanted to take a few minutes and show you the Santa's Workshop Stamp Camp because it is selling like crazy. And I did not get a chance to go live with you this week because of my buy one get one sale. So I just wanted to hop on for a minute, show you some sneak peeks and explain the stamp camp in case any of you were interested. So, hi everyone. Give me a comment, let me know you're here. I see a few of you joining. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. I have been having, before I show you, I'll tell you what I've done today. So the first thing is I was able to sleep in, which I don't normally get to do. So that was great. And then I was also able to watch a show on Netflix that I'm watching, like a series. And then I went to Hobby Lobby shopping. Okay, that's always a lot of fun. And I got some of my favorite. So I went to Panera Bread and tried the soup called Autumn Harvest. It's delicious if you it had like squash and pumpkin and oh my gosh, it's so good. And anyway, so yeah, it's been a great day. And now I'm at my studio and I'm designing the add-on classes for the stamp camp. So stamp camp, I do these 4 times a year. Do them Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, and Christmas. And I originally started with the Christmas, and I've always called the Christmas a Santa's Workshop because we tend to do things other than cards, but also cards as well. So this one is amazing, you friends. It's amazing because there are 15 projects. When our full retreat, we usually only do 10 projects. So this has 5 more projects. It's also at a much lower price point than a retreat. But a retreat, we include $50 worth of products. Guess what? This one includes $40 worth of products. And it's only $59, and that is shipping it to you as well. So this is an incredible deal. Now, you do get only one little gift from me, but it's gonna be an amazing one, and I have hired a specialty, there's gonna be a custom, something that you can eat. I'm sure you can probably figure it out, but it's gonna coordinate with our stamp camp as well. So, $40 worth of products. You are going to make 15 projects, and then if you do any of the add-on classes, you get to make more. So that's what it is. You can take this anywhere in the US. You will get tutorials for all the projects, step-by-step, and photos and all of that. So the first thing that I made, which I've been doing for a while, is I made another shadow box insert. It's 8x8 and it's so cute with the Santa train. And so I did use the bundle in this. However, you could probably get away without it if you didn't want to purchase it. Now let me tell you, the dies do coordinate with the designer series paper. And so I did use them a lot, but I did use the stamp set a little bit in some of the sentiments in there. But I think you could get away without the bundle if you were trying to save money, but I think it's cute, so I loved it and used it. You're gonna make 2 boxes. This is a pretty big box. It's really cute. And then we have a smaller box right here. Cute. And then a little bag. Look at those Santas. Really cute. And then this is a gift card holder made out of the designer series paper. It's tied shut, but it opens up and has a cool little pocket in there. And then you get to make 10 Christmas cards. They're really, really cool Christmas cards, really pretty Christmas cards. I can't hold them all up. There's 10 different Christmas cards anyway that you get to make as well. So my arm hurts from holding it. I gotta switch arms. So anyway, that is the stamp camp. As of with the first 12 hours, we sold 50 stamp camps. I normally do about 60 to 80. So we are, and this one I did plan to do a little bit more because I knew this one was gonna be really awesome. But anyway, my whole point is, I haven't checked this morning, but as of last night, we have already sold more than half of them. So if you want one, get one. Also, the 2 add-on classes, they do not include the stamp set because I know some of you might already have the stamp set, or as well, because the catalogs have been live. So if you need the stamp set, you can add it on, or you can purchase it. Maybe you already have it. But I designed the piece in this one today. It's really pretty. You're gonna get this really pretty paper and some gems to go with it. So we always include products in your add-on classes as well. And then the other one you will too. Isn't that so pretty? And then this one is with, I love the Night of Navy with that. And so then the other one, the other class. So the only thing that you will need that is not included in your stamp camp is linen thread or some kind of twine. On a couple of the cards, I used a few pieces of linen thread, and I'm just assuming that you guys are crafters and you can pull some out of your stash. I've included it like 6 times this year, so I'm guessing you have some left over. So that's the only thing that you will need that will not be included. That gets tangled and just is a mess when we just give you pieces. That's why I usually give you the whole roll of it, but I know a lot of you have a lot of it. So you'll just need a little bit of that to make some bows. Other than that, you'll get a whole bolt of the white sparkly ribbon. You're going to get a half a package of the iridescent rhinestones. You're going to get a half a pack of that Santa paper. You're going to get a full package of the Memories and More kit. And then you're also going to get a half a package of the Memories and More cards. So you will have tons of stuff left over to even make more projects as well. And then you'll get one of each of the bags and boxes too. You'll also want your own little shadow box. I get mine at the craft store to put your little thing in. Again, we've been doing these for a couple years, so some of you probably have one already. You can just change it out. But anyway, so that's all I wanted to tell you is the link is below in one of the posts. It's also been emailed out. So I just wanted to let you know that they're selling out very fast. The last retreat sold out in 2 days. And so just sign up if you want it. That's all I wanted to show you a little sneak peek because I planned to when I went live this week, but then I didn't get to it. So that's it. I think that's it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I needed to remind you. I will probably be live, hopefully, the beginning of the week to do the paper pumpkin kit. It is so cute and I can't wait to play with it and make some alternatives. I had no idea this buy one get one sale would, it literally consumed me from Tuesday through even some today. So I'm just trying to wrap that up so I can get back to everything else for November. So have a great rest of your weekend, everyone. If you're watching football like my son, I hope your team does well, and we're gonna be watching the Michigan game tonight. And so I need to hurry up and finish this last class. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great night. Bye.